That's Peter's car ready. Just need to get this one sorted now.
Look, can you just stop for 2 minutes?
It was a minute a second ago.
Abby,
Kevin?
are you all right?
Yeah, I'm cracking, yeah.
I know you're better than you think. I know this afternoon it's not going to be easy.
Well, I know that, don't I? I'm not daft. After everything I've done, I'm lucky they even want to see me today. I'm lucky I get to see the little faces one last time. Could be important, that.
Yeah. It's all right.
We can't just ignore it.
Hello? Yeah, is it just a flat tire or... breakdown? I could ask Ty to do it.
Phew, he'd love that on his day off. But I've got work to be getting on with. Plus, with you out of the way, I can start on them chalky biscuits in the back.
Well, hey, love. All right, don't fret. Look, just step away from the vehicle. Stay safe, OK? I'll be there in under 10 minutes. OK, bye. Sure you're going to be OK?
How many times?
Right, well, I've got Jack's trial with his new coach, so I won't be back for a bit.
Good, I'll get some peace.
All right, well, you crack on with this. I'll shut up so no one bothers you.
Thanks.